You rely on protection of your corporate and customer data to stay in business, but network speeds, data volume, and the number of business applications are increasing. Your security tools are running out of capacity, especially if you send all traffic to all tools. Your tools are overwhelmed, their costs are out of hand, and your business apps are slow because of security controls. Add to this new evolving security threats intensifying your risk of a breach, and as your network moves into virtualized and cloud environments, lack of visibility makes it much more difficult to secure. If you can't see it, you can't secure it. Your IT infrastructure must be always available, always secure, and delivered at speeds that guarantee the best user experience. You need a new solution, one that enables security tools to see everything they need to see, and nothing more. Now, your tools can operate at the speed of your network. The GigaSecure Security Delivery Platform is a next-generation network packet broker purpose-built for security solutions. It has the performance and flexibility your business needs to get the most out of your security tools. Cut complexity, lower costs, and free up your IT security team so they can protect your vital assets. Gigamon partners with the world's leading security vendors. Together, we create the one solution that meets every need better than anyone else, including total visibility, offloading, traffic intelligence, session load balancing, and more. It even enables your security tools to run up to 5 times faster. Compare what the competition has to offer, and you'll discover why GigaSecure Security Delivery Platform is the preferred choice, with more than twice the market share of our nearest competitor. Take advantage of our ease of use, unrivaled reliability, and seamless implementation support. Get started today